How to add text in KineMaster. First of all, open the KineMaster app and create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are in the editing workspace, tap the layer button on the right side of the screen. From the options that appear, select text. Now type in the text you want to add to your video. After typing, tap OK or the check mark to confirm. Your text will now appear on the video preview screen. You can drag it to move it anywhere you want on the screen. To customize the text, use the options below the preview such as font style, size, color, and background. You can also add animations and effects to your text for a more dynamic look. If you want to adjust the duration of the text on the timeline, drag the edges of the text layer to increase or decrease how long it appears in your video. When you are satisfied with the text placement and style, continue editing or tap the export icon to save your video. Now you know how to add text to your video in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.